Ito guys, oh. Sarap nito guys. Ito ay lechong paksiw. Ayan. Lalagay natin sa kanyang lagayan kasi kukunin yung kanyang tupperware. Ayan, sarap. Ayan, oh. Wow, sarap. Lechong paksiw. Oh my God, ang sarap. Yes, thank you kay Ronel, aking trainee na nagbigay nito. Thank you so much. And guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye bye. Oops, 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 oops.